Hello everyone, welcome to my page. Today, let's make this rich man's egg stew. I hope everyone is doing well. Okay, so we start by boiling our Koobi, our salted tilapia, okay, and then we go ahead and we blend our base, which is onions, garlic, fresh pepper, and a little bit of ginger. Let's start by getting our oil into our hot pan, okay, and then we go in with our chopped onions. Okay, let this fry for about a minute, and then we will add our blended mixture. If today is your first time on my page, please subscribe, like, and share. And to my new subscribers, you are welcome to my page. I hope you will stay and we'll have lots and lots of fun. Okay, so at this moment, go in with your chopped tomatoes, give it a stir, and cover it for it to simmer down. Okay, so as that one is ongoing, let's prep our minced meat. Okay, wash the minced meat. Okay, add a little bit of oil to your pan and then add the minced meat. I added chopped onions, I added oregano, thyme, and just a little bit of salt to this. Okay, fry this till it is very dry, and that is when it is cooked. Okay. So let's get back to our stew and check on it. Okay, so as this has simmered down a bit, let's add our spices. You can add any spices of your choice, but my spices are oregano, thyme, and some curry powder. Okay, give it a good stir, cover it, and let it cook a bit. Okay, so as that one is ongoing, we prep our yams. You can have this with rice, you can have this with anything of your choice. Okay, so let's just prep our yam, cut it to your preferred choice as well. I'm cutting mine into these slices. Okay, after wash them and then get them ready to be cooked. At this point, I'm adding the salted tilapia, the Koobi. I deboned it because I'm having my kids will be having the same meal. Okay, so I don't want them to choke on any bone. You can have them with the bones if you want them that way. Okay, I added my eggs. I added a bit of salt to the eggs and I beat them, not fully because some of the yolks were inside. So just add this to your stew. I use 8 eggs in this. You can use less or more if you want. Cover it and let it simmer and cook a bit. As that one is going on, put your washed yam in the pan of hot water, add a bit of salt and let it cook. Check on the stew, give it a gentle stir so that all the egg sauce will be cooked. Okay, at this point, come in with your minced meat that you prepped, and then give it a good stir. Okay, I added some vegetables here. You can add any of your choice. Mine was some bell pepper, some carrots, and then some onions. Okay. Okay. So at this point, this stew is done. Let it be on the stove and let it simmer for about 5 minutes, and then you are done. Try this and let me know how it tastes. Okay. Till our next video. Thank you for watching and stay blessed.